In this video, you are going to see how to insert and format a table in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Here I have a blank presentation. Let us go to Insert, go to Table and click on Insert Table. Suppose I want the number of columns 6 and I want the number of rows 7 and click on OK. Then our table will be inserted, but this is not looking good. If you want to format it like this one, now click on anywhere of the table and put your mouse cursor at the margin, then a 4 arrow key will be appeared. Now click on over here, then the whole table will be selected. Then go to table design, go to borders and click on all borders. Then the border will be added. Now go to over here shading and choose no fill, then the fill color will be removed. Now if you want to add the header, let us write here table 1, but you can't see the text because here is the default text color is white. So let us select using your mouse all of these cells, go to home and go to font color and make it black color. And now you can write here table 2. If you want to give a fill color to a cell, select the cell using your mouse like this. Go to table design, go to shading. You can change the fill color. Now if you want to add a new row, click on over here, go to table design and select this option, insert row below. Then a row will be added. If you want to add a column between table 1 and table 2, click on over here and go to table layout and choose this option, insert column right. Then a column will be added. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.